Hey everybody, we are going to go pick up the switchgrass bales that I bought and we're going to take them to the allotment. We now have to start working on weekends only because the sun sets now at 4:45 in the afternoon. So we are just going to head over to this farm and go pick them up, and then we're going to lay them over top of the allotment and we'll see if the hoops survived the week again and how all of my cabbage looks. We got a really hard frost on overnight last night, so I don't know if the hoops are covering them and if the plants have still survived, so we will find that out today, and then we are going to cover all of the gardens up with the switchgrass. That way we can keep the cabbage and cauliflower good into the rest of November, hopefully. It's supposed to be 19 degrees on Tuesday, Wednesday, so the weather's been ridiculously warm. And then the switchgrass will also keep the soil warm and feed it into next year as mulch. So that is what we're gonna do today, and stay tuned to see how it all goes. Or we're gonna have to push some of the stuff out of the way.
You want to order 3?
Yeah, I'll do 3.
Okay, that should work. You can put the third
one up top there.
Yeah.
There's still straw in here from last time.
Yeah.
We picked this up from the street. Someone was giving it away, so we can move all of our allotment stuff from our Metro bag into there so we can take our grocery bag back. Okay guys, we are on a bumpy road, so excuse the camera, but we just went to the farm and picked up our bales. So we've got the 3 bales in here, and now we are headed to the allotment. All these roads. And we should be there in half an hour, and then we'll see how long it takes us to get the soil covered up, but I'm looking forward to doing this, so I'll catch you in 30 minutes. Okay guys, we just got here, and same as last time, all of the plastic is just pulled off from the wind, and so I think we're just gonna call defeat here. I don't know what to do. I really don't want to lose all these plants, but like, this is bad. It's actually just like really frustrating, to be honest. Oh my god. I like these plants are so big, I don't want to just lose them. This feels so frustrating. Oh. I guess the broad beans took a hit. No. I guess those are done. Too bad, we didn't even get a single harvest off those broad beans.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Okay, well let's put the straw down, all the mulch down, then let's reconsider if we want to put anything back up again.
Well, it's either, so we're going to take the...
Well, we're going to mulch everything, but like if you look at your, like these things are so small, we may as well just not cover these ones again. But like some of the cabbage or something, like maybe we'll just cover some stuff. Okay. But this looks like it's pointless. So I really wanted this to work for us, but it's not, because we talk about this all the time, is in like a pursuit to save money and not use as much plastic, we don't cover things properly, and then the hoops fail because we're being cheap and stingy, and then we just get upset and mad that things fail. And this is like our 4th time using hoops where we've been stingy in our lives, and the result is the same every time, and yet we keep trying it over and over again. So maybe we need to learn our lesson for a change. So anyway, we're gonna mulch everything and try and put it back together, and we'll see how it goes. It's just annoying. It like blows like right off of it.
Yeah, it's stupid.
But of course we also like grilled some of these in.
Yeah.
Like the stuff that's like super alive, I want to keep alive.
Not thick enough?
Maybe we can take some, like, we can like double it up so that way the wind can't go under.
Yeah.
Like take this one and then run it on one side and that on the other so the wind
Maybe
can't
for
go.
that one.
And then if we use something heavy to hold them from blowing.
Yeah.
Seems like only the cabbage is really doing that decent. Covering up the garlic, which it will be very happy for.
It's gonna be more than we need, I think.
Oh, I don't know. We still have to do quite a few. Plus we can always thicken it up some more. Or just leave the whole bale here for the spring.
Oh, that's gonna be a nice nest.
I don't think it'll be hard to use it. Like we just make really, really thick mulch if that's the case. And then come spring, we can thin it out if we need to give the soil some breather. Or so that the garlic doesn't get drowned out by mulch or something. Do you have some of those?
You covered yours too high. Then you'll look more covered. Okay.
Yeah, like if we're gonna, like we may as well use the ones that fit properly then if we're gonna.
Oh, there's one over there.
Little one?
No, I don't know what it is, but there is one.
I was thinking that we should use the right proper size ones if we're gonna
Well,
keep some stuff uncovered.
take the big guys at least, keep them together.
Here's another big one. I like look at it when we do it and I'm like, this should stay covered. And then we come back and it's the exact opposite.
Hello. How are ya? Good. Did you guys just move into that lot?
Yeah, we got it like midsummer.
Nice.
So we didn't plant anything this year, but
Prepping for next year?
yeah, we planted gardening, so.
Oh, that's a challenge. we got this one this year too in like July.
Maybe?
Oh yeah, same with us. Wow, you guys did really well.
We killed it and
Yeah.
then we grew a little bit of tomatoes. What else did you grow?
Corn.
A little
Well,
bit
we
of corn.
tried the broad beans, but the frost got them first.
Oh yeah,
Pretty
yeah.
late, so
I know.
Didn't
it was-
expect much, but
Yeah, but this looks good. Look, is it cabbage?
Yeah,
cabbage, yeah.
most of
Yeah.
it's cabbage. There's some cauliflower. I don't know what's under there. I don't want to open it. It's the only one that
awesome.
hasn't
I
broken
was-
into a million pieces.
Afraid to do anything like cauliflower, but it looks like it's growing well.
yeah, it's growing. I don't know if it'll last. It's gonna
The
die.
hoops keep falling apart, which is
Yeah.
very irritating for us.
If we built
what?
it properly.
These hoops keep collapsing,
Oh.
which is very irritating. But
Yeah.
well, we're being lazy too. We're
Yeah.
like, this should work. It's not.
I know that's the garden, right? So it's like, yeah, how much do you want to put into it? Yeah.
Yeah.
I get it totally, but it looks great.
Yeah. So we got some garlic in the back there for next year. and
Yeah,
then-
that's what I did
some
too, but I'm
strawberries.
like, I don't know if it's gonna grow. I hope so.
yeah, it should.
Should.
So
There were really small little cloves that I had, but
they'll just make you small bulbs. Who cares?
maybe.
Yeah.
It's
We'll
better
see.
than
We'll do
nothing.
something. Yeah.
So
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
it's just a never-ending battle against all the weeds around here.
Yeah.
We keep,
Great.
We tilled and then like there were I guess they planted what was mint.
Mint.
It's like everywhere is mint.
Oh.
It's like impossible to take out, so it's just popping.
Yeah,
up
it's
all
pretty
the time.
invasive, isn't it?
It's so bad. So we've been here like, I think we'd put in like 3 hours a week, and you can't even tell because it's just.
Oh, it
like-
looks
I
good.
think it looks great.
Oh, that's
And
because
you're
the weeds
like,
have
look
died
at
in the frost.
how much you did. Like,
Yeah,
I
know.
wouldn't have known that you just started this year. Like, ours was like, it was up to here with grass.
same.
Yeah, it was hard.
Ours
Yeah,
was like
pretty
that
much like that.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
we've
We
been
gotta
trying.
re-fence, so that's what we're gonna do in the spring is fence this off. And
Well, we had a
Yeah.
fence and someone stole it.
Oh, good.
Oh, no
Yeah.
way. Seriously.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's good to know. I thought maybe. Because we're going to do the same, I think.
Well, everybody has a fence. Why would ours get stolen? And it's like it got stolen after we took control, so it got tilled, and someone stole it after that. So it was like obvious that we were here.
Right.
So I don't know why you would take it.
It's really weird. It was like a
Chicken wire is like 4-foot tall chicken wire, and that's like over $1 a linear foot.
yeah, that's terrible. Oh, that's
So
really weird.
it's like a $50 theft. That's a lot of money.
It's a drag.
Well, it's the effort, the energy and
annoying,
effort to put it
yeah.
in is more like
Yeah.
I agree with you 100%. Like that's a lot of work, right?
We've been functioning without one because I'm like, we'll wait till the spring.
Put the trail cam on.
Yeah.
I
them
feel
down.
like you do need a trail cam because I hear like we don't know a lot of people around here because
Yeah.
we're new, right? But I've overheard over there like somebody come in and like pick everything at the late season,
Oh.
and I'm like, oh, that sucks. Like the whole season you grow something
That's a
and
whole
somebody comes in,
point, yeah.
but you never know because people. You just don't know who's walking around, and people
Right.
walk with a grocery bag and they pick stuff, and okay,
Right.
cool. They need it, but it's like if you spend your whole year on it,
That'd be irritating.
yeah.
Yeah, I guess we've got a lot to like experience
Yeah.
here still.
We'll be
right?
watching each other.
Yeah, I'll be like, actually,
Like, unless it looks like the two of you.
Thankfully, we're like a small plot between two very large ones.
Yeah,
so
we're
hopefully
kinda hoping
their harvest is better than ours. I said that out loud, but it's true.
You should put up a sign and be like, we don't know what we're doing.
We don't.
There's no point in stealing.
Your own risk.
So now that I've got everything covered up here, I am going to go home and use my square foot garden planner that I built. It's this cool interactive tool that I will show you guys right here, and you can see how you can plan what you want to plant, and it'll tell you how many plants to put per square foot, and also creates a shopping list or a seeding list on it. And so I am going to use that over the next couple of weeks to plan out what I'm going to plant here. And if you want to grab it yourself, I'll put it in the link below. It's really awesome. And otherwise, I'm going to get back into putting down the hay. Okay, guys, we are now just cleaning up. So we're going to attempt the hoops again, even though they failed last time. It's like a mix of there's no support across here. So when it rains or snows, it collapses them in the wind. But we are going to just keep doing the same thing, you know, which is the definition of being dumb, I guess. I can't believe how many people are here today. So we are just going to tidy up, and then everything's nicely covered. This is where my garlic is, and I think we'll just leave this here because he'll need to add more wood chips here. They have started to go away. Well, how's this guy supposed to stay warm? Get all tucked in nice. There we go. And the no-name umbrella can find its way home. There's so much straw in my shoe. It's stabbing me. Ha-da-da. But it looks so good. I don't know if I'm gonna cut my comfrey back now and let it dry at home and then cover it up, or if I cut it back and then lay it on top of the hay, because I feel like that would be really ineffective. The theory was that I was going to put the comfrey down first and then put the straw down second, but obviously that didn't happen. So I have to rethink that. But until then, we'll come back in a week and see how everything is doing. I don't have much hope for getting any cabbage, but it's kind of fun trying. It's all an experiment. So that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you have a lovely day, and make sure to catch out my other allotment videos here. So anyway, bye.